Now let's go into our chat moderation. To go back to the channel, click on Content in the left-hand side panel and click on Go to Channel. Now that we're back in our channel, see the chat panel on the right-hand side. If a user writes within the chat, you as an admin have the option to remove the text or even silence the user by hovering the mouse over the text or the user's name. Click Edit Channel in the top right-hand toolbar. Hover your mouse over the chat box on the side panel and click Edit. Within the Active Panel section, click on the Settings gear icon next to the chat. In Settings, if you scroll down, you'll note the Filtered Words section as well as your Silence Users. If you silence someone within a chat and want to unsilence them at a later time, this is where the option to unsilence them will be. From there, you can go ahead and go back, exiting out of the center and exiting out of the editor. If you go back into our chat box here and note the Settings gear at the bottom left-hand corner, this allows you to export your chat. You can select a specific time frame from within the chat to export, or you can export the entire chat itself.